everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, what are we doing? We've got the March Glossybox. I've got version 5. Feels a little light. Maybe there's some good stuff in there. And also I have already got swatches on my hand from another video. Can't find any makeup wipes handy, and I don't want to go all the way upstairs. But let's get into this baby and see what we got. Okay, so this is a monthly subscription box, and I think it costs approximately $21 a month US. And it isn't my favorite, but I do sometimes like the skincare we get. So it's just our normal pink box this month. Alright, let's open it up and see. They do always have very nice packaging. So this will tell us the theme, which is Pretty Pleasures. And on the inside, it'll tell us the value of all of our items. Pretty bow. So this is what the box looks like when we open it. And let's see what we have inside. All right, first up, feels like eye patches. So this is from the brand Soon Skincare. Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. Single use, so probably only one pair in there. Love a good eye patch. I need to use them more. I've got a stockpile of eye patches now. And face masks. And every kind of skincare item you could think of. I gotta start using it more. Like stockpiling in case I don't get any more. I don't know why I do that. Next up was from Espa. It's a really nice metal tube, and it is the eucalyptus and tea tree hand balm. Oh, we don't want to forget hand creams. Definitely smells like eucalyptus. Hello. My husband is joining us.
Hello, my lady.
Hello, love. Got some hand cream.
Smells good down here.
That might be this eucalyptus hand cream.
Oh. Want me to smell it?
Or you can use it if you like. It's very moisturizing. It feels nice on the skin.
It does smell good.
Yeah.
I like the
tube, eh?
The tube, yeah. It's like medical feeling.
Yeah, or like a painter's.
Yeah, I guess
like,
so.
Yeah, it's like more metallic.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next up. Oh, I gotta hit your leg. It's from First Aid Beauty. I love this brand. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Where do we put this? Apply as needed from head to toe throughout the day. Nice. Although, you know, it might be a little overkill. Tends to be a lot of the same kinds of products every month. Like we get 2 lip balms or 2 what he calls it or who's he what's it. It's very lightly scented. I love First Aid Beauty creams. Yeah, that's nice and luxe. Actually, it's got kind of like an orange smell. Yeah, so it worked into the skin really nicely. I just wish it was a bigger tube. Oh, what does next? Another little sample from Vanilla Co. So we've got one of these before, but a different, same brand, different balm. So this is Clean at Zero. Look how tiny that writing is. Tri-peel acid cleansing balm, pore clarifying. Well, I could love a nice pore clarifying anything. I'm going to try it on this eyeliner that I haven't been able to get off my hand yet today. And look at that. It's working. Look at how black and blue my hand looks. All right, so nice little cleansing balm. All right, it looks like, oh no, it's not our last item. So from Caudalie, nice, another nice brand. It is a Vino Perfect. Hey, Vino. Vino. Yes. Radiant Serum, complexion correcting for all skin types. So apply morning and evening before you moisturize. I love a good serum. This is probably very expensive to buy the full size. a nice light scent to it. I don't want to waste it. So that is the consistency of the serum. Very serum-y. It's got a nice light scent as well. Gotta love your skincare. You can't neglect your skin. All right, well, now last up from Cab Cosmetics. So I think this is the Kim Zolciak Biermann from the Real Housewives of Atlanta brand. Never tried anything from them. This is a lip gloss in the shade, doesn't say, probably on the inside. Oh, it's a nice packaging. So this is in the shade Sugar and Spice. I don't know if you can see. What the heck am I doing? I don't know. It's late. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening. All right, so this is, it's got a nice smell to it. I don't wear a lot of lip glosses, but there's some. So it is a very pale, like peachy brown color. I wonder if I can try it off top of what I'm wearing. I'm wearing 2 lip products. I think it has a taste to it as well. So that's that. One makeup item. It's not enough makeup items, Glossybox. Come on. We need all the makeup items. All right. I don't think we love this box this month, but let's see what our value is. So the Cab Cosmetics, this is full size Sugar and Spice gloss. Retails $18. It's not bad. First Aid Beauty, this is a deluxe mini. So this is $5. A full size at 6 ounces would be $36. Vanilla & Co. This is also a deluxe mini. This is 5 mils at $3. And the full size is 100 mils at $22. The Caudalie is also a deluxe mini. So this is 10 mils at $26 and full size is 30 mils at $79. So it is quite expensive. The Espa. Okay, well I was supposed to get this, which is a deluxe mini bergamot no rinse hand cleanser, but instead I got the hand balm, which I'm not sure if it's full size or not. So no idea how much this costs because it's the same thing. And then the single treatment Soon Skincare. This is an extra treat, it says. So this is $6 and they also sell it in 30, which is $54. So all deluxe minis, eh? Except for this from Cab Cosmetics. Not great. Come on, guys. More full-sized. $21 American is a lot to little Canadians like me. I'm going to see if I can find the price of this online to try and get more of what the box is valued at. Okay, so I went on the Espa website, and this is full size, so my apologies. And it's 15 pounds, which in US is approximately $20.90. So the total value of my box is $78.90 approximately, which is a good value for $21. I will use all these products, but it's just not very exciting, you know? Like one makeup item. I would like more, please. But there's some nice creams and potions in there. I love a good eye patch. So, it was alright. It was so-so. But I will continue to get it month after month because sometimes it does impress me greatly. Alright. Well, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you would like to like it down below. If you aren't subscribed and you would like to, you can click here, and you can watch more videos here and here. And I really appreciate you watching. Thank you, and have a lovely day.